This is the back of the MacBook Pro. This is what it looked like. I know y'all all know. This is what it looks like. You feel me? Now I'm gonna take the top off. This is what the guts look like. See? I'm gonna get more in detail for it. Get more in detail. That's what the guts look like. See? See the guts? That's what it look like. That's the memory. This is what I need to put. I need to put this inside there. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you exactly how to install it. See? See how the guts look? See? That's how it look. That's how it look. See? That's how it look. That's how it look. That's how it look. That's how it look. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come make this close so I can show you what I'm talking about. Focus it. And I'm about to put this right here. This right here. You see? You see that right there? You see the ribs right there? You gotta match it up. Take your time. Put them in right there. Easy. Easy. That's the easiest part. Now we gotta install the software. I'm gonna do it again so you'll know. It ain't hard. You take it out. Let me focus it. There you go, see? That's where this go. See, I'm trying to teach you how to, you don't have to work for no one. You can learn all this yourself. See, they don't teach you that. They do not teach you that. I want to teach you how to do it yourself so you have the whole game. You already know what you got to do when you go into business. See, I'm an Apple tech and I know how to take the whole computer apart. I know how to take the whole computer apart. All this, I know how to take the whole thing apart. See? That's the guts. The two fans. That's the cooling system. That's the battery. That's the memory. That's some more memory. That probably got 4 gigs on there. This what runs the whole operation right there. This right here runs the whole operation. It runs the software. That's the drive. You can put disks in here. This is an older MacBook Pro. I like to get the older MacBook Pros because it sells fastest to me, I think, because I know I could get it at a better price. Now I'm going to tell you how, now I'm going to show you tomorrow how to install it. But we're going to take one day at a time. We are not going to rush. We're going to take one day at a time. And I'm going to show you exactly what I do. And this is how I make my money. I'm about to cover this up. Turn this back around, pull that up. See? That's the MacBook Pro. MacBook Pro. Apple. I had to learn this. To be successful, I had to learn this. It's not about just selling. It's not about just selling. You got to do other things to make that money too. You got to learn how to be independent. You got to learn how to do your own thing. You got to learn how to take apart a computer. You got to learn how to put it back. You got to learn how to buy stuff wholesale, because the more that they don't have to do, or the more you got to do, is more cheaper for them. So all you got to do is just buy the software, buy the drives, install it yourself. You know what I'm saying? It's a little dirty, but that's what I'm saying. Install it yourself. Easy. Put your own software. Put your own software. own drives. That was easy. That was easy. But if you don't know, you wouldn't know how easy it is if you don't know. You wouldn't know how easy it is. You wouldn't know how easy it is if you would not know. You feel me? You want to be your own boss, man. You want to have power of your own life. You want to control your life. You don't want nobody to control it for you. Tomorrow I'm going to show you how to install the software on it. God bless you. Have a good day. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and always support. I'm always showing new stuff, always giving new knowledge. I want to win, you want to win, and I definitely want you to win because I'm definitely winning. God bless you. Subscribe to the channel, Kpflip. Have a good night. God is good.